Hello everyone, my name is Anson Anthony and welcome back to Simple Smart Trader channel. So I hope you must have also enjoyed the profit which market gave you yesterday like I did, and I have attached the screenshot for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are missing a lot, my friends. So hit the like button and share with all your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin market analysis. So today I'll give you 3 stocks and I'll also give you a review of index, how it might go in the next week. So let's begin market analysis for tomorrow. So let's begin market analysis for tomorrow, and the first stock which I have for you is Indian Oil Corporation. So Indian Oil Corporation, if you see, it has given a beautiful double top. Okay, let's remove all the drawings from here and let's check out how it is. So if you see here, it is double top type pattern and it is going down. So it is strongly showing that market is giving a beautiful resistance zone. This is the most beautiful resistance zone here, and market might go slow and steadily on the downer side. So what we can do is we have to wait patiently for the levels which I am showing to you, and after that, if market is giving a slow and steady move downwards, you can take a trade. So the most important level for tomorrow, that is on Monday, is this level 1055. If market is breaking this level and going downside, you can go for a target clear cut. This would be the first target, and second target you can go for this gap filling trade, and the final target I would suggest this one. So let's wait for this level to be broken, okay. So that would be easy for you to understand. 1055, 101.55. If it breaks, you can go for a trade, and the first target would be 100.20, second 99.20, and the final target would be 97.75. And if market is taking a support at the zone where I have marked the arrow, you can go for a bullish trade also, and you can go for first target of 103 and the second target would be 105. So these two targets you can take for tomorrow. So the second stock which I have for you is BPCL. So BPCL, if you see on the higher time frame, if you check out, this is the most important resistance zone. So market gave a pure price action level. It went up, then took a pullback, then it went up. It might be taking a pullback, but if it will also act like an bull trap, so it might go down also. So what we can do is we have to just check out the trending side and we can go for the trade. And if you see in 15 minutes time frame, market has given a pure downward rally. So the level where market has been closed right now is the most important level. So this level is very important, 390, and the second level which I would suggest is, one is this target, and second target you can go for this, and the final target would be this. So where you have to take the entry might be somewhere here. Once 390 has been broken, you can go for the trade, and the first target 387, second 386, and the final 383. These levels you can take. But if it is taking support somewhere near 386 or in 390, if it is taking 386 support, so you can go for target of 387, 390, and slow and steadily as market moves up, you can go for the targets on the given levels which I am showing to you on the bullish side. So these are the levels on the top side. So once it takes a support either on 386, that is near to 200 MA, on 390, you can go for target of 394 and 401. So the third trade which I have for you, it is again a bull trap. So if you see here clearly, if you see, there is a pure price action level, and the market tried to go up with breakout, but again with a strong bullish candle. I am again and again repeating that it is the most important, and the bullish side here it went up, but in the bearish side it is going down. So what we can do is we can wait for this level to be broken. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, exactly 309 is acting as a strong support zone. So what we can try and understand is this level has to be broken down, and 3097 point has to be broken down, and the pure price action level which I can see is this one, that is 301, and the final target which I would suggest is 295. On the top side, I won't give you the levels because market is slow and steadily move up, but there are few people who says that we need levels on the both sides, so that as the market trends you can go for. But as per price action it will go down, but if it is taking a support at 309 and if it is going up, you can directly go for this target itself, that is 326, and before that there is a beautiful support zone which might act as a resistance. So the most important level is 3097. If market is taking a support from 309.75, the 318 and 326 would be the targets. On the downer side, 301 and 295 would be the targets. So these are the three stocks for tomorrow. So let's go to Finnifty and let's remove everything, all the drawings, and let's go to weekly time frame so that it would be easy for us to understand how market is getting showing its improvement. So here if you see, market has slow and steadily in the weekly time frame took a double top, it went down, it took a pullback, now it is trying to go down. So if you see in this week, it has formed a beautiful hanging man, or you can say reversal doji. So it would be very important to see how market is going to react in this time frame. And if you see in daily time frame also, it is acting as a pullback and it is going downside. So what we can do is, let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, it is somewhere near its 200 EMA. And as you see on Friday itself, market give a pure price action level and slow and steadily it is going downside. So it would be very important level. This would be the most important level, because we have to see how the price is going to work at 19,515. Because if you see purely, if you see this level, okay, this level is acting as a pure support. See this level. So whenever the market is trying to go down, it is pulling up. Whenever it is going to up, it is going downside. So it is acting as a pure price action level. So once 19,515 breaks, you can go for a target of this one where it is right now stuck. And the second target which I would suggest is this, and the final target this. So let me make it very clear and very easy for you to trade. So the most important level is 19,517. Once it breaks 19,470, 19,434 and 19,362 would be your targets. But if it is taking a support or it is somewhere opening, if you see Gift Nifty is showing as sideways market. So somewhere if it is opening here and it is breaking 200 EMA, you can go for trade, or else if it is taking a support from here and going upward, you can go for the targets. And the first target which I would suggest is near to its 200 EMA. And second target obviously this one, and the final target which I would suggest is a gap filling target, this one. So this would be your price action levels. So this target, so 19,515 act as a support, you can go for 581, 631 and 697 as your targets. So let's go to Bank Nifty, and let's remove all the drawings here. And if you see Bank Nifty, it has also given a beautiful move in this week, and it has purely shown that the bears are very strong, very strong. Because if you see this weekly diagram, market took a support here, it tried to went up, but it tried again to go up, but the bears just pulled them down and it is going towards the downer side. So what we can do is daily time frame, let's mark this level on the daily time frame also. And if you see, as I had told you earlier also in my analysis, that the market is trying to come near its 200 EMA. So whoever has watched the videos, hit the like button and share with your friends. So I'm showing you pure price action levels. So the most important levels in 15 minutes time frame for intraday traders, I would suggest is you can go for a target, and somewhere the most important level would be the closing of today. So if it is closing somewhere here, that is 43,545, if it is breaking this level, you can go for a trade. And the targets which I would suggest is pure price action levels. The first target would be this one, as it is acting as most important support and resistance zone, and after that this level would be most important level, and the final target, if you ask me, that would be this level, a gap filling trade. So the most important levels I'm showing to you, it would, market is respecting our levels, so you have to trade accordingly. You should not take early entry or exits. So 43,545 would be your entry level, 43,405, 43,280 and 43,044 would be your targets. But if it is taking support somewhere here and moving towards upward, the most important level is 43,846. Okay, after that, if market is moving upward side, you can go for the target of this, and the final target is gap filling trade. So these are the most important. So if it is taking support somewhere, it's 43,545. The levels is 43,846, 43,940 and 44,085. So let's go to Nifty, and let me first show you how I entered in the trade. Okay, somewhere here only on the first candle itself I have entered the trade, because I had told you. So let me play the button, replay button. So how did I enter in the trade and how I took the profit? So this is where the trades started. So it was 9:15, and in the first candle itself, if you see in the first candle itself, it took a beautiful support zone. Okay, it took a beautiful support at its 200 EMA, and it formed a bullish candle and it entered in the our trading zone. So yesterday also, if you see the analysis, I had showed you that if it is entering this zone, see, if you see there is an arrow here, so if it is entering this zone, you can go for the trade. So exactly that I did. So I entered in this trade, okay, and I took a target on the levels which I had given to you, and I kept stop loss somewhere here, and then I made my targets trades run out. So it it went sideways also, it went slow and steadily upwards, and exactly this level. So this was my trade. So 1 is to 1.5. So here exactly, so whatever I'm telling you, whatever I'm explaining to you, I always tell you that whatever I am giving to you, it's my experience and the targets market respected. If you see, slow and steadily market came down after that exactly in the levels which I had given, and it went down, slow and steadily it went down, and it would have gone slow and steadily down. So what we can do is, whatever levels I'm showing to you, you have to practice it. Okay, if you see here, exactly I took the target, it went down and it didn't go upside, and it purely went down, and it must have, if someone have hold this long, then it must have taken your stop losses, and it was a boring day after that. So the first candle entered and then took the target. So these are the strategies whatever I'm giving to you, the pure price action strategies. So hit the like button, and I will give you more educational and beautiful levels in the future itself. So let's go to weekly time frame in daily, in Nifty, and in Nifty it is going somewhere else only. If you see here the price action, it has gone down and it is trying to get a pullback. So this might be the most important level which might take as in resistance, and it might go down. So what we can do is, let's go to daily time frame, and let's understand the levels which I'm showing to you. So the levels which I had given to you right now, this is acting as some beautiful resistance zone. So it might be a trap and it might go down, because Finnifty, Bank Nifty, everything is showing a downside. So it might be a trap zone. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and understand the price action levels, and slow and steadily you will understand how market is going to react. So here is a clear picture. Market is trying to go up, pull back, again it trying to went up, and it is coming downside. So the most important level I would suggest is 19484. Just wait for this level to be broken, so that it will give you a confirmation that market is trying to go down. And after that you can go for the targets whatever I'm giving to you right now. This targets is a pure price action targets, and after that the final target would be gap filling. So there are lots of gaps to be filled in Nifty, so it was very important, and it would be very easy for us to enter in the trade. So the most important level which I am suggesting to is 19684. Once 19684 has been broken, the first target would be 19643, second 580, and the final target would be 19541. But if 19684 has been acting as an support zone, you can go and take a target of 19801, but it would be very fast. So you can also take a target somewhere near its closing. So this would be also one target, and the final target would be this. So the levels which I am giving to you, understand the levels. So 19684, once it has been touched and it is moving upward, 19741, 19801, and 19859 would be your targets, and after that you can trail your stop loss. So these are the stocks for Monday, that is IOC, BPCL, and Hindustan Petroleum, and Finnifty Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you have any doubts, you can ping me personally on my social media, or you can write in the comment box and share your views. So it is very important for you to write in the comment box, because that gives me motivation and understand like what content you are liking. Like, I am purely an audience oriented channel, so what I would suggest is you write it down whatever you need, and I will make the videos for you. So if you like the video, hit the like button, share to all your friends and family members, and subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in my next video. Bye, take care.